Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to talk about that how can you earn by the voiceover of Punjabi language on Fiverr. So first of all we'll talk about the word voiceover, and then we'll move forward to the other topics like language and earning. So we'll read some information provided on the Wikipedia about the word about the word voiceover, and then uh, we'll try to understand about this word by reading them. So without wasting much more time, let's go and let's read about it. Voiceover, also known as off-camera or off-stage commentary, is a production technique where a voice that is not part of the narrative, non-diegetic, is used in radio, television production, filmmaking, theater, or other presentations. The voiceover is read from a script and may be spoken by someone who appears elsewhere in the production or by a specialist voice actor. Synchronous dialogue, where the voiceover is narrating the action that is taking place at the same time, remains the most common technique in voiceovers. Asynchronous, however, is also used in cinema. It is usually pre-recorded and placed over the top of a film or video, and commonly used in documentaries or news reports to explain information. Voiceovers are used in video games and on-hold messages, as well as for announcements and information at events and tourist destinations. It may also be read live for events such as award presentations. A voiceover is added in addition to any existing dialogue, and it is not to be confused with voice acting or the process of replacing dialogue with a translated version, the latter of which is called dubbing or revoicing. So that was a short information about the word voiceover. I hope now you've understood about it. So now moving forward to the language point, and we'll read some short information about Punjabi language on Google Chrome to collect some important knowledge about this language to move further to the main point. So here we search about Punjabi language on Google Chrome, and we'll read some people also ask question, and we'll try to collect information or collect knowledge by these answers. So the question is, what language is Punjabi spoken? Punjabi language, one of the most widely spoken Indo-Aryan languages. The old British spelling Punjabi, Punjabi, remains is more common general usage than the academically precise Punjabi, Panjabi. In the early 21st century, there were about 30 million speakers of Punjabi in India. Okay, are Punjabi Indian or Pakistanis? The Punjabis, romanized as Punjabi, are an Indo-Aryan ethno-linguistic group associated with the Punjab region, comprising areas of eastern Pakistan and northwestern India. So that was the short information about the Punjabi language. I hope now you've got little bit of knowledge about this language. So now moving forward to the main point, that is how can you earn by the voiceover of Punjabi language on Fiverr. So first of all, we'll go to the Fiverr official website, or the official platform for freelancing, and here on Fiverr we'll search about Punjabi language voiceover. We'll search this to get idea if there is any competition related to this job on Fiverr. So as you can see, I've searched about it and there are a lot of gigs related to it. So it means that the competition is really high and little bit tough. So yeah, you have to put your efforts as much as you can, and you have to put your hard work in getting your first order. So yeah, little bit of efforts and hard work is must to get your first order. You can also use the marketing strategy for getting your first order. It depends on you that how do you get your first order. So now let's check out a gig to get much more idea about it. Okay, so here's a gig. I will record young voiceover in Punjabi and he's charging 14,846 PKR per order, and till now he got 261 reviews with 5-star rating, and as you can see by the reviews, there is high demand along with a high competition. So yeah, the demand and the competition are both at the top level. So yeah, it is worth it to do this job, but you have to put your hard work, put your efforts on getting your first order, and then you are going to earning handsome amount of money through this job on Fiverr. So yeah, that was the video about it. I hope you've understood everything about it. It's time to end this video right here. We'll meet in the next video. Till that, bye bye, see you, Allah Hafiz.